This Baisakhi, I'm going to go a little offbeat, making a delightful recipe of Mango Sandesh, a traditional Bengali recipe with the tropical flavors of mango. So I'm going to start with making the chena first. I'm boiling around 1.5 liters of full-fat milk here, and it's come to a boil, and now let's continue the process. Milk is started to boil. Let's turn off the flame and let it cool down for a minute and keep stirring for that 1 minute. Let's add in around 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Keep stirring gently till the milk curdles. Place a muslin cloth over a sieve. Let's rinse the chena with water to cool it down. Let's squeeze out water from this. Let's remove this in a plate. Let's smoothen the chena by kneading it with the help of the wrist and smoothen it out. The next step is to cook the chena with sugar and a few more ingredients. So in a pan, let's add in the chena. Let's add in 7 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of cornflour. Mix all these ingredients before you turn on the flame, because otherwise the sugar is going to start to caramelize. Now, let's turn on the flame. Keep stirring continuously. Also, with the help of the spoon, keep mashing the chena as well. This is nice and smooth now. Let's add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a mix and turn off the flame. Let this cool down for about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, I'm going to start slicing some mango. So I've taken 2 Alphonso Mango here and peeled them. Let's cut it. I'm going to cut them into slices, not too thin. I'm going to make layered sandesh. For that, in a tray, I'm going to spread half the quantity of the chena and then layer it with some mango and another layer of chena. So let's start doing that. Make sure it's the even layer of the chena. Let's arrange the mango slices. Let's make another layer so that we can fill up the gaps. Take some chena into your palms and flatten it out, because I won't be able to spread and press it too much. Let's smoothen it out. Let's garnish it with some pistachio flakes, almond flakes. I'm going to garnish it with some rose petals. This is ready to go in the fridge to set for around half an hour. And while that happens, I'm going to quickly make a garnish for this. Take a pulp of 1 mango. I've also added around 2 tablespoons of water to make the pulp. Add in a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of cornstarch or cornflour. Mix all these ingredients first. Break all the lumps. And now turn on the flame. Keep stirring and cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes. This is done. Let's turn off the flame and remove it in a bowl. The sauce is cooling down. The sandesh is nicely set and ready, and I'm going to garnish it with the sauce. Do try this recipe this Baisakhi and let me know how it turned out. Comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.